What's up, guys? Welcome back. We have a new video. I've been really busy, so today we put everything back together. I will put the bumper, the fender, I will bolt everything up temporary because I still need to work on this side. So today I will put everything up temporarily. It's not final, and when I get some time, I will, work more on this side because I still need to remove this fender leather and work on the door. So to be more comfortable on this side, I will still need to remove this fender. But today I will put everything back together, especially this bumper. I will put it back together, and then because I need to take the car to do inspection. I need to take the car to the inspection, so I will get the car ready today for the road, and when I get more time, I will come back and do more alignment. So are you ready? Let's get it. I will put some time lapse and let's go.
Dipping some water with my brothers and sisters I be dipping some water with my brothers and sisters I be sipping some water, dipping. Sisters, I be dipping, sipping, dipping some water, dipping, sipping, dipping some water, dipping some water with my brothers. Sisters, I be dipping some water with my brothers. Sisters, I be sipping some water, dipping, sipping some water. Dipping some water with my brothers and sisters I be dipping some water with my brothers and sisters I be sipping some water, dipping. Sisters, I be dipping, sipping, dipping some water, dipping, sipping, dipping some water.
Okay, I think everything is done. I did not record a lot of parts. For example, I took everything from this door that we transfer here because this door is a little different. Okay, so I did not record that part. So yeah, I did not. So yeah, this is trash. I need to remove one more thing. Other than that is done. I need to pull this side. I need to pull this side. I need to pull this side too. Yeah, put the mirror. Other than that, everything is okay. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. It's a nice project car. Everything works fine. We're getting there. It will take some time, but we're getting there. Okay, good. All right, so now I'm checking all the codes to see what's going on. So I see that I have 6 different codes already clear, a couple of one. So I still have to replace the control module. So other than that, I replace all the airbag, everything. You see, replace and connect everything. Everything is connected. Everything's perfect. All the light work. So I need to replace this seat and the seat belt. Okay. So other than that, everything is perfect. That's everything here. So I will try to start the car. So I will put the phone outside, start the car, and we go home. That'll be it for today. All right, let's get it. Everything worked perfectly. So everything worked perfectly. It was a nice build, nice experience, quick. All right, so I have to work on some detail, do a couple of adjustments. I have to fix this side. Okay, I have to finish everything here, but we're getting there. Okay, it's night, it's getting late. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so I can bring more video. Okay, peace.